Hello everyone. So as of now we have created our Lambda function, and in the Lambda function we are able to provide the input like what text summarization we are looking for. So with the help of Lambda underscore handler we are able to provide the input to our Lambda function. Now the next is we need to invoke the model. That model is nothing, it's a foundation model, and with the help of foundation model we are going to do the text summarization. So how we can do that? Let me show you. So just click here. So this is the Bedrock runtime, and we know that Bedrock runtime is having the access to various models. So let me do one thing. Let me open the console of AWS, and here first of all we need to check our access to the Cohere model. So here just click on Bedrock, this one. Just scroll down, and at the left hand side bottom you can see we have this model access. So this time I am going to use Cohere model, and for all the Cohere models you can see my access is granted. It means I can access these models. So this is the first thing. Now coming back to this Bedrock runtime, and then you have to click on this Invoke model. Invoke model means you have to request to that model for text summarization. And this is the syntax. So response is equal to client.invoke underscore model. So just copy this one, come back to your Lambda function, and here first let me type what exactly I am performing here. Invoking the Cohere command text model for summarization. This is just for your understanding, and paste. So here you can take any variable. So let me take this one, client underscore Bedrock request is equal to client. So we have already created the client connection with Bedrock, and this is the name. Same name you have to use here, client underscore Bedrock. Perfect. And then give enter here. Now coming back here, so what all the parameters are required? So first let me take this one, content type. Coming back here and paste. So basically it specifies the input in JSON format. So what is the default value of this parameter? That is this one, application/JSON. Same I am going to use here. The next let me take this one, accept, and the default value for accept string is application/JSON. So basically it also specifies that the response should be in JSON format. What's next? Next is the model ID. So that's very important. Let me copy this one, come back here. So how you will get the model ID? So just come back to this Amazon Bedrock and click on this one, command by Cohere, and here just scroll down, and we are looking for this one, additional models, this one, cohere.command-text-v14. So just copy this one, and you can read about this model, supported use cases, model attributes, this one. Just copy, come back here and paste. Okay, and after that what is required, that is body. So that's very important. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture I am going to show you what all the parameters is required inside the body parameter.